What's going on, everyone? And today, welcome everyone to episode 2 of Can I Crack a Pack and Make It Back? Today we're opening up play boosters of Magic's newest set, Secrets of Strixhaven. I'm super excited for this one. This set's just got a lot of cool new mechanics like Paradigm, Prepared, Repartee, Increment. It's a lot to look forward to. And there we pull a Professor Delian Fell Planeswalker. It's a mythical, $8. That one's a pretty big hit so far. We get a pretty strong spell, Flashback, and a beautiful Return the Favor. I kind of scuffed opening this pack right here. Don't worry about it. I clutched up and fixed it. If y'all seen this, but some of these packs are coming with punch outs instead of tokens, and that's got to be a scam, right? And boom, getting a road. That's a pretty good removal spell. And I just want to say they killed it with these mystical archive cards, man. I mean, they just look so good. And in case you're wondering, I'm only putting the prices up for the rares and the mythics and the mystical archive. The price is gonna be all weird right now. This set just came out. We're on our last pack. I hope you guys enjoyed episode 2. Make sure you guys stick around for the next one.